Hello everyone, this is Sneha here. Welcome to my cooking channel Creative Cook House. There are many ways to make edible cookie dough. I also enjoy to eat it. But because of the raw flour, I never let myself to eat more. So I thought to give a healthy twist to this edible cookie dough. Here we are making 6 different type of edible cookie dough but with heat treated our regular wheat flour, atta. So let's start making it. Today we are making edible cookie dough with our regular wheat flour. For this we have to dry roast our wheat flour first. For that we have taken 2 cup of wheat flour in a pan. We'll dry roast it till it become light brown in color. On a low flame, keep on mixing the flour or stirring the flour so that it will not get burned. It will take around 15 minutes to get light brown. Now our flour is ready. Switch off the flame. See the color. If you can see, it's become light brown or golden brown. So now we'll transfer this to a flour. Another you can use maida or all-purpose flour to make this edible cookie. The flour is 1.5 cup of flour, 1 cup of brown sugar. Here I have 1 cup of butter, salted. This is salted butter, or little bit milk if we need. The butter is in room temperature. It should not be melted or should not be very soft. In a mixing bowl, first we'll take our sugar, then we'll add our butter. Now with a beater, we'll mix it nicely. I took crystal and powdered sugar because the crystal sugar gives its little crunch in the cookie dough. Now we will add around 2 tablespoons of milk.
Like a bird on a tree. I'm just sitting.
Now we will add our flour to it.
It's clear to see.
Give a good mix till it becomes well combined. If you feel it is little dry, you can add milk.
We can sit together.
I am using spatula. You can use your hands to mix it well.
You and me.
We are using wheat flour, so the dough should be little soft than the other all-purpose flour dough because it needs more water or it absorbs more water. So we need little bit more milk to this dough. I'm adding around 1.5 tablespoon. Our dough is ready. Now we'll divide this dough into 6 parts. For this, I have here peanut butter and peanut crush. I have dry roasted the peanut and make a crush of that. And here I have sprinkles, colorful sprinkles. So in this dough, first we'll add around 1 tablespoon of peanut butter and 1 tablespoon of peanut powder or crush and 1 tablespoon of the sprinkles. Here our peanut butter colorful cookie dough is ready. Almond pista kesar flavor cookie dough. Here I have taken 1 portion of that cookie dough, 1 portion out of 6 portions. Badam powder. Now I'll add some pista crunches and I'll add this kesar which I have soaked in the milk for 15 to 20 minutes. It will give nice flavor and color to the cookie. I am using fork to mix it because I feel it is comfortable or convenient to mix. The aroma is coming, the kesar aroma. Here are kesar pista badam cookie dough is ready. Oreo edible cookie dough. For this I have crushed the 2 to 3 Oreo biscuits and will mix in the dough. Oreo edible cookie dough is ready. Coconut choco chips edible cookie dough. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut powder, 1 tablespoon or more as you wish, choco chips. Give a good mix. It become little dry, so I am using at 1 teaspoon or half teaspoon of milk. Our coconut choco chips edible dough is ready. Now we are making chocolate cookie dough. For this I have here melted chocolate around 1.5 tablespoon, choco chips. Give a good mix to it. If you want, you can add more liquid chocolate or chocolate crunch, whatever you like. Here are edible chocolate flavor cookie dough is ready.
Sometimes you need to go and take a
Here are caramel butterscotch cookie dough is ready. Now garnish the cookie dough with butterscotch, some colorful sprinkles, Oreo biscuit and crunches, some white choco chips. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Try this recipe and let me know in the comment section below how you like the recipe.